PlantQuest's technology partnership with NavVis allows us to bring advanced 3D visualization directly to the operations and maintenance workflows. What you're looking at here is a large manufacturing campus made up of a number of buildings. PlantQuest have identified every room and area within these buildings, so you can quickly see the name of any room along with the location of the assets within the room. These assets can be added using 2D and 3D workflows, leveraging your existing asset information or through integration with a immersive casting system. PlantQuest also allows you to view some information on an asset, which again can come from your immersive integration or be added directly in PlantQuest. Using PlantQuest, you can quickly see the location of an asset once gaining context. And through our collaboration with NavVis, we allow you to swap from the 2D view into a 3D environment. Now that I've swapped into the 3D environment, I can view the exact location of this pressure indicator. Again, I can navigate around in the 3D environment. I can quickly add another asset if I wish, add in some asset information and its tag. The 3D environment allows you to swap from 3D panoramic to a very accurate point cloud environment. The environment allows you to crop and download equipment, do scan to bin, accurately measure distances and areas, among much more. Swapping back to the 2D map, I can now gain additional context on the asset. I can view how I can get to it. I can overlay some information on different room and area types, such as where I need PPE, where are production areas, ATEX areas, and much more. We also allow you to do filtering, so I might want to filter for a certain asset type, a system, and again these filters can mirror your existing CMMS